how we like it, the way it's presented, the way it's cooked, mixed together. That's perfect. Perfect, thank you very much. So this is our new spicy chicken curry with wild rice. Alright guys, new improved recipe on the soups. We have the cream of tomato and the cream of mushrooms.